how to do a whole month search on the Skyscanner app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually do a whole month search on the Skyscanner app. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to do a whole month search on the Skyscanner app, all you need to do is simply open up the Skyscanner app, and maybe you want to search the whole month and best of the deals for that specific month. Then all you need to do is, after you open the Skyscanner app, you'll basically find the Explore Everywhere button over here. So just click on the Explore Everywhere button, and then here you can see your current location, and then here you can see anytime. Now you have to change this anytime to a specific month, so just tap on this, and then here you can see April, you can see May. So let's say I want to search the best deals for April. I'm just going to select month of the April over here, and once I select April, I'm just going to click on done button here. Then once I do that, basically it will show me a list of all the available prices, which are estimated lower prices for this specific place, and to go to that place. So depending upon the destination that you want to go, just select them over here. You'll be able to see a list of flights and the places as well as the bookings that are available for that specific month. This is how you can do a whole month search on Skyscanner. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.